We'll talk about move and align in Revit. First select the wall, then press move. The other walls aren't separated, they move with the moved wall. If we press constrain, the move shall be vertical and horizontal only. If we want to move the wall separately, we shall press on disjoin. The wall is moving without being attached to any. We can also move to any other using the arrow in the keyboard like this. After selection, then moving with arrows. It can also move by click and drag like this. If we press Ctrl while dragging, then it shall be copied like this. We will speak about alignment. We shall select the wall first, then press on the other wall, select the wall, the other wall, like this. Thanks, subscribe for more videos.